In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Grok AI. Whether you're a first-time user or someone looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is crafted to make the process straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Google. It's always a handy starting point for anything web-related. Once you're there, type Grok into the search bar and hit enter. As soon as you get the results, you should see the official Grok website appear in the list. Go ahead and click on that link to navigate to the site. Now that you're on the Grok AI homepage, the next step is to find the clip icon. This icon is your gateway to uploading an image, so it's essential to locate it. Usually, it sits at the top of the page, perhaps in a navigation bar or prominently displayed to guide users like yourself. Click on it, and it should lead you to the uploading interface. Once you've clicked the clip icon, you'll be prompted to choose a photo to upload. This could be any image you have stored on your computer or device. Select your photo carefully, keeping in mind what you plan to do with it on Grok AI. After you've picked the perfect picture, prepare to enhance it by setting a prompt. Creating a prompt is an integral part of using Grok AI's capabilities. This prompt will tell the AI what kind of edits or enhancements you are interested in making on your photo. For instance, if you want to adjust the lighting or improve color balances, make sure your prompt reflects these desires clearly. Be descriptive, as this helps the AI understand your needs accurately. After you've precisely crafted your prompt, the next thing to do is quite simple. Click on Submit. By doing so, you'll send your image and instructions to Grok AI, enabling it to start processing your request. At this point, Grok AI goes to work, enhancing your image based on the specific instructions you've provided. Now, let's talk about working with special enhancements. Suppose you selected a landscape photo. There might be an option to enhance it professionally, improving clarity, lighting, and color balance. Imagine brightening the sky, making the water bluer, or deepening the tones of the trees. Adding soft shadows or gentle depth occurs at this stage by clicking on the enhancement link. These are all customizable elements that allow you to adjust the image to your liking. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully upload and enhance images on Grok AI with precision and creativity. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for following along, and happy editing with Grok AI.